Scotty?
This is our Hallelujah video.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Come on, baby, come on.
I'm singing like I'm in a church choir while you're jacking off. I'm sure that's... people pay money for that. All right, I'm going to get this stand out.
Let me know when I'm up high enough and safe. Okay?
Take the other one down.
No, I'm not. That one's not high enough.
It's gangsta leaning.
No, now we just need to drop the nose and be a 70s, no, 80s vehicle. Because he used to ride them like this with big, huge tires in the back.
It might end up stink bugging with the new front end. Ready?
No, I need something. Where did I put it?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You ready?
Yeah. There you go. Little hammer.
It got wedged into the ground.
That makes sense. Ready? Oh, it's on the ground in the back. Ah! Well,
Yeah, baby.
B-pillar back.
Yeah.
B-pillar back. Finito, pretty much.
Yeah, B-pillar back. I just got to wait for... Does he have the stereo harness yet?
It's in the radio box.
No.
And then it's got to tap into the factory dash
That's why I
harness.
have- well,
So we have to make...
Not just that, which is fine.
We have to make it. Because
No, because if that antenna is bad...
we got to get one. But
Then we
that's
gotta
easy.
get one.
That's easy
Well,
enough.
no, he has to get one.
No.
Or I don't know. Whichever. We get one, he gets one, whatever
Someone's
it's
going to have
be.
to get one. We'll check it first.
I'll have to check that for power, but...
I'm getting on AC.
Now...
Everything in the back is done. We do need to put the filler thing. Wow, that fits really nice.
Yeah, it does. That came out really, really nice.
Good job, Scotty.
And then move everything over here.
Hey, you know what happens when you and I beat on the damn thing with friggin' hammer for a while? It actually fits. Look at that. Oh, that's ready for us to put gas in it when it's time.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. We're done. Bolted into place. Tightened up. All the way through. Back. Topped. Nutted, screwed, and blued. Yay. Caliper leaks. Son of a beach nut. I put it on top so that I could finish everything off and tighten it up, and it just started leaking. So, boss already knew that they were kind of weak in the first place, so... But at least this side's done. God, I am so happy about that. Back to the front. All that's left is to button up the other side. I've already got the new wiper motor in. Let me get up. Here we go. Come on. God, I'm getting old. Okay, here we go. New wiper motor's in and in place. The new transmission shows up in a couple of days, so that'll be all completely replaced. So on this side, we're gonna crawl underneath, fix that jammy, and we're putting in a new starter. So once the starter's in, and then this side's done, I can technically, well, I can't put the wheels on. Damn it, that sucks. Oh well. Well, I can pick up from the antifreeze spill, and I still gotta pull the radiator so that we can get the condenser and everything in for the air conditioning. And I can get the water pump on. Sweet! Okay, on to the next stuff. See you.
All right, I know it's hard to see down there, but the new starter is in. Got most of our engine bay wiring here complete and ready to go. We need to just route that down there to the starter the rest of the way. This here radiator, come on phone, focus, it's hot, I know. This here radiator, it's got to come out so we can do the condenser. And before we do the condenser, I'd like to finish up all of our headlight actuators, which are electric. I need to get that done. I did work on mock-up on our AC today. And the control panel fits a little different than it should, but we will make it work. We're starting on also our gauges. We took out all these. Getting this all ready because the aftermarket gauges are the LED digital nice ones. I'll do a video on them probably beginning of next week. We gotta do that. We gotta take this one out, the new one. But holy hell, we're moving.